Welcome back to Life, Aging, and Peace. Today's video is for anyone who's ever felt like giving up. And I mean really felt it deep down. I've been there more times than I care to count. But I've learned something powerful. When I feel like giving up, it's not because I'm weak. It's because I've forgotten my power. And today, I want to share what I do when the feeling creeps in again. Think about what you're thinking about. When I'm overwhelmed or discouraged, I pause and I ask myself, what have I been thinking about? Because I know that how I feel is rooted in what I've been thinking. Our thoughts and our feelings create our personal reality. If I want to feel better, I have to think better. And that realization that I have the power to change how I feel just by changing my thoughts brings me back to center. Knowledge plus purpose. I remind myself of everything I've learned over the years. Every book, every conversation, every life lesson, it wasn't a waste. That knowledge helps me remember my purpose. It whispers, "You've come too far to stop now," and that voice is louder than doubt. Meditation. Listening for the answer. One of the most powerful things I do in those moments is meditate. If prayer is me talking to God, then meditation is me listening. And I want to hear what the Creator has to whisper to me when I'm quiet enough to receive it. Sometimes that whisper is all I need to find my footing again. Reignite the fire. I also listen to a good book, the kind that speaks to my soul and reminds me why I started. Words have power, and the right message at the right time can pull you out of the dark place and point you back towards the light. Another thing I do, I clean. I declutter my space. Because sometimes a crowded room can make your mind feel crowded too. When my environment is clear, my mind begins to feel more focused and more calm. Garden therapy. And one of my most absolute favorite ways to stay grounded is by getting into my garden. Being out in nature is therapeutic for me. I can feel peace in the soil, in the sunshine, and in the breeze. Gardening reminds me that everything grows in its own time, and that includes me. Life has many lessons, and every single one is a blessing. Even the ones that bring you to your knees, they're shaping something in you. So when you feel like giving up, take a step back and listen. Look around. Clean up your space. Touch the earth. And most of all, remind yourself that you have power, even in the pause. If this message helped you, leave me a comment below. And if you're on your own journey of healing and growth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're doing this together. One day, one thought, one step at a time.